Um, I don't remember anything as such, but my dad keeps saying that whatever is meant for you will come to you, and my mom keeps saying that be patient, your time will come. So that's the two things that keep me going on.
Yeah. Also, like I said, everyone is quite excited. But if you want to increase the excitement a little more, and you want to share any glimpse about your movie or any spoiler kind of thing that you want to make fans more excited of, what do you want to share?
Sandeep, your messages are popping up. Please don't text.
There's a kiss scene in the film. Of course, that's the most exciting thing.
Priya?
I feel like the entire movie is a very exciting and thrilling experience because you keep on wondering what's happening next. So that I feel like, yeah, the entire movie is going to be exciting for the people who watch it.
Okay, so apart from movies, I want to play a small segment called My Favorites because when we come live, people want to know more about you guys. So we'll start with a segment called My Favorites, and both of you have to answer. Okay? The first one is most important person in your life.
Dad.
I can't choose. Family.
Okay. Your favorite cuisine.
Chinese.
Okay. Most annoying habit about yourself that you don't like.
I'm not going to tell that.
Can I tell that?
No.
My annoying habit, I would say, I'm very cranky in the morning.
Okay. Your favorite actor.
Mine Chiranjeevi garu.
I have a list.
Okay. One thing that you cannot live without.
Phone.
Your celebrity crush.
Sonali Bindre.
Nice.
Okay.
Mine's Vijay.
Okay. You get angry when
He doesn't get his food on time.
Yeah, right.
Priya, yours?
When I don't get to sleep.
Okay. One thing you would never want to do.
I don't know. I just try everything, but I don't know.
I'm really scared of heights, so anything related to that I would like to avoid.
Okay. Your favorite movie?
I have a lot. There's a big list. Yeah.
Okay. One favorite song of yours, or maybe current song that you are humming.
Anandam Adike from Ishq, and it's releasing on July 30th. Just finished my promotions for the day.
Priya is also a singer. If we can have 2 lines, it would be perfect for fans.
Okay, go ahead, Priya.
Okay, I'll sing Anandam Adike only because it's promoting it. ఏమైందో ఈ వేళ నీ గాని రంగులేవో చల్లిందా. That's all.
Your most loved vacation spot?
Belgium.
I recently went to Petersburg, so I really love the place.
Any fun travel memory you have, like maybe some adventure or something?
A lot. Go ahead.
No, I don't have any.
Lot. Too many.
Okay. So we'll end the segment here, but apart from that, Ishq is going to be loved by a lot of people. But what are other projects that you guys are going to do and want to share with fans?
My next film is with my previous film's director. It's called Hanuman. That's the first superhero film in Telugu. We've started shooting for it, and I hope it'll end by this year. Yeah. That's gonna release in 5 different languages as well.
Okay, how is your preparation like for that song? As you said, it's the first superhero film. How are you preparing for it?
So the story is about an underdog who gets superpowers. So I just have to be myself.
Oh. Yeah.
It's very comfortable.
I have another Telugu project coming up. I'm just shooting for it. It's not officially out yet. The details are not out yet. But yeah, that's there. And then I have a Kannada movie that's lined up for release. So hopefully everything happens this year.
Yeah, and also you're gonna surprise your Bollywood fans also with an Hindi. How excited are you for that also?
What's that? I don't know about it.
There are 2 movies that I did in Hindi, but then the first one they've not yet decided if they want to go with an OTT release or a theatrical release. And second one I have to shoot another 4 days, I think. So yeah, let's wait.
Yeah, definitely. And also, a lot of your Telugu fans are also here. So if you're gonna share anything in Telugu to the fans about the movie Ishq, you can go ahead.
So I would like her to start. Say something in Telugu. Go ahead.
Antariki, hi. So my movie Ishq 30th ki July 30th ki release అవుతుంది థియేటర్స్ లో రండి మూవీ చూడండి.
Perfect. See, I taught her Telugu. At least she learned this from Ishq. That's her learning from Ishq. So జూలై 30th 2 రాష్ట్రాలు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ తెలంగాణలో థియేటర్లు ఓపెన్ అవుతున్న విషయం అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. మొదటి సినిమాగా ఇష్క్ నాట్ లవ్ స్టోరీ థియేటర్స్ లో వస్తుంది. అందరూ తప్పకుండా మాస్క్ వేసుకుని థియేటర్కి రండి. ఒక కొత్త కథ, మీరు ఎప్పుడూ చూడని విధంగా న్యూ వే ఆఫ్ స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ తో చెప్తాం. అందరూ డెఫినెట్ గా ఎంటర్టైన్ అవుతారు. థియేటర్స్ ఆర్ సేఫర్ దెన్ ఎవర్, సో ప్లీజ్ డూ విజిట్ థియేటర్స్ విత్ ఫ్యామిలీస్.
Yeah. Also, we'll take 2-3 fans' questions. So, there's a fan who's asking, did you guys always wanted to be an actor or there was a plan B?
Always. I never had plan B because I was worried that if I had a plan B, then I wouldn't put my 100% effort into this.
Yeah, even I had this dream of becoming an actress since childhood. So I've not thought about, if not an actress, what else. So yeah, this has been a dream always.
Also, there's a fan who's asking, how was your experience of first camera shoot and what is the experience now? Like when you gave the first camera shot and now when you have worked in so many films and all prepared, how is